I can see that Solinea is one of the best city resort condominium here. City resort team. Hi, Chef. Nakoy hey, unit. Those are my friends here in Avalon. He is my friend. He is the head of the security in Avalon. And that's the Ayala. That's the Alcoves condominium in Cebu Business Park. And that's the 1016 of Ayala. There. This one is Avalon. That's the BPI building, that one. And that one is Alcoves building. And that's the 1016. And that one is the AIA building. And this is the Solinea. And that's the Avalon. And that's the Ayala Mall. Ayala Mall is there. That's the supermarket of Rustan's supermarket. So in front of this Solinea is the Ayala Mall, and the Avalon. Giving you trivia, that building, the Avalon, is one of the pioneering residential condominium here in Cebu Business Park, and that's developed by the Primary Homes. Kalang isa kinabuhi. Thank you so much to all of my viewers, my subscriber here in YouTube. Hopefully you enjoy the video that I am posting on this channel. We are growing on this channel, so keep watching the video so that you will be updated. And thank you so much for the support on this channel. It really gives us me a motivation to go on posting more videos on this channel about the Cebu. So here in Cebu Business Park, I think aside from the Cebu Club, Chef, Merry Christmas. na unit din. Dili ako ang yun sa barkada na po. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Wala maglitsyon ta diya. Amping, Chef. That's the Avalon. And that's the central amenities of the Solinea. Thank you so much. And this has been me, Mark. Thank you. Bye bye and Merry Christmas to you. Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for this video I would like to tour and I would like to bring you here in this very exclusive community, residential community and luxury. You can say it's prime, maybe, yes, because it's really in the heart of the Cebu City. Not Cebu City, but Cebu Business Park. This is the amenities of the one of the best city resort living here in Cebu Business Park, which is the Solinea. And this is the central amenities of the Solinea. We have that really large swimming pool, and we have those towers. 1, 2, 3. We have 5 towers. We have 5 towers in this project, and this is the first or the pioneering building here in Cebu Business Park. That's the Avalon, that one. it's Avalon, developed by the Primary Homes, and this one is the Solinea. And I want to tour you with this area right now. Can I borrow the phone that I will tour them? Let's start from here, the shower area of the Solinea, and that's the Cebu Business Park. That's the Cebu Business Park, the Rostans. But I want to bring you here, the garden of the Solinea. This is the central garden. We have that very lush greens here. Those are the towers of the Solinea, and that's the Avalon, one of the pioneering residential condominium here in Cebu Business Park. And Avalon there, and that's the perimeter fence of the Solinea. The Solinea buildings, and the gym is there, and that's the central pool, and that's the podium parking and the amenity podium parking of the Solinea. And we have that. We will try to swing here. It's really relaxing. Wow. Ang kalami sa kinabuhi. Solinea. Those are the towers of the Solinea. Lamig diri sa feeling kay murag ano lang ka, wala ra ka sa city. Green kay badagang greens. Aray, naumod ang konti isamad. And this is the Solinea here in Cebu Business Park, one of the best city resort condominium development here inside the Cebu Business Park. Aray! Nabungi na po akong tiil. Aray! Kaduhag yun. Avalon. 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 Aray.